Alright guys, as you all know, the first time I tried tinting the Lexus badge, it failed because I used window tint instead of vinyl tint. So I got some vinyl tint and here goes round two. Hello and welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw from the last video, I failed on tinting this badge because I was using window tint and it was just basically, I'm not a professional, so it's hard as hell for me to get it right. So my brother told me about vinyl tint that people use for headlights and taillights and you know, such. So I ordered that and I gave it a try. As you can see in the video, it still wasn't easy, so I have to give a shout out to people that work with vinyl and tint. You guys are pros at what you do to get it looking flawless, because it took me about an hour to get it to what it is here, and there is maybe one or two air bubbles, but those are gonna dry out. But here's what the finished product looks like. As you can see, it is slightly tinted, not by much, but you know, I still want to see the Lexus sign, but I don't want the chrome to be as poppy to the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this back on the car and show you guys how the finished product looks like. There it is, guys. Finished product. Hope you like it. I sure do, because it doesn't pop as much to the eye, but you can still see that it's a Lexus. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Please subscribe, because it means so much if you do. Like, comment if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer them for you. See you on the next video. Take care.